check out the divisions. You got your classic rods, your imports, special construction, diesel trucks, rocket-powered cars. It's crazy.
Thanks, guys! Nice paint, kiddo!
So, you ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy... Ahead and gun it.
Oh, yeah!
With no muffler, you even sound like Storm.
It's an electronic suit. With it, we'll be able to track.
Looks like we got some work to do. Look alive! Reflexes are the first thing to go! Ah! Oh. Ah!
Rusty's Racing Center?
Yeah. It's got all the fancy bells and whistles that the kids are training on these days. We'll send Mackie Boy all the directions. Now get moving, all right?
Okay. Yes!
Fancy new training center. Celebrate!
Guido, come! We have to pack the tires!
Hey, McQueen!
You can't race in primer!
For crying out loud, we're running out of bumper cream to sell.
Lightning McQueen!
Hey, Big Tex, how's my favorite competitor?
Just say the word and I'll boot.
Wait, who was that?
I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Oh man, the paint's still wet!
Guys, you're here! I can't believe this!
I knew you needed a crew chief, but I didn't know it was this bad.
I thought you said you'd never come back.
Well, I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay, I'm good.
Hey, champ! Where...
Wait, you're not Bobby.
Name's Danny, bro.
Guido! Aha! Laugh it up! Real fun! Hicks! I'm your host, former and forever Piston Cup champion, Chick Hicks. This just in. Rookie Jackson Storm slams the proverbial door on Lightning McQueen. Oh, I couldn't have enjoyed it more if I'd beaten McQueen myself. Oh, well.
Trying something new. I like it. Wow.
Veloso, the Brazilian race car.
French rally car Raoul Sarul is counting on a big boost headed through there.
And don't... Bumper to bumper as they approach the finish line. McQueen's the winner. Francesco second. And they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
That's what I'm talking about. Ka-chow!
Oh, number 7 is loose. Shoot Todoroki.
You lost your mind.
But I thought...
Beta, this chat...
This is valuable equipment. Make sure it is properly secured for the voyage. You got it.
Hey, Professor Z! This is one of those British spies we told you about. Yeah, this one we caught sticking.
Our last competitor, number 95, Lightning McQueen!
Thank you so much for having us, Sir Axelrod. I really look forward to racing. This is a great opportunity.
That's him. He's the one.
Roger that, Professor Z. No!
Yes, sir. We believe the infiltrator has passed along sensitive information. I will take care of it before any damage can be done.
Who's winning the race?
Back away!
It's Lightning McQueen.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
You just gave up the piston cup. You know that?
This grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
It's just an empty cup.
Oh no, Snotrod! He's gonna blow!
Hey, yo, DJ!
What up?
We got ourselves a nodder!
Will you turn that disrespectful junk off? Respect the classics, man. It's Hendrix.
Well, I sure can respect that. Still, you know, if there's ever anything I can do for you, just let me know.
I sure appreciate that. Thank you.
Want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder. Gediban, Gediban. Say it with me. Gediban.
Good luck in your last race. You sure been an inspiration to me.
Thanks, Junior. Appreciate it.
Hey, be careful out there, okay?
Yeah, man.
Just passing through?
Actually, I thought I'd stop and stay a while. I hear this place is back on the map.
It is?
Yeah, there's some rumor floating around.
Okay, McMissile. I'm here. It's time for the drop.
Do you know many Ferraris?
No. They race on the European circuit. I'm in the Piston Cup. What?
Luigi follow only the Ferraris.